Life has really advanced so much. Gone are the days when you just buy yellow corn and you just make it and it will turn to pap. Now pap has gone beyond, like you can add different ingredients in making your pap. On today's Nutri pap, I am making these with all these ingredients as you are seeing. I use corn, millet, guinea corn, tiger nuts, dates, and even coconuts. I even added carrots. So you can add, if it's fruity pap, you can use all fruits. That is why it's called fruity pap. So even if you can even use nuts as well. So this is me here. I'm washing it. You have to wash it thoroughly. You can see the water as bright as it is. You have to wash it because some of them used to have this kind of stone, because some of those sellers, they hardly select those things well. So you just have to wash it very well, then soak it for 3 days, and every day you change the water. Just essence of changing that water is so that it won't have this pap smell and all that stuff. So I have soaked it here, and after soaking it, I forgot to do the video of changing the water every day, but this is the 3rd day where I am washing the final batch to take it to the sawmill to grind it. So either if you have a good, very big blender, industrial blender, you can. But me, I don't have, so I usually go to where they will blend it for me outside the house. So that is what I do. Then you can make your pap, add any fruit of your choice, add anything that is okay that you are not allergic to. So that is what I'm doing here. I also learned another method. After grinding, I will have to tie the bowl or the bath that I'm going to use to wash it. But now I learned one again online, that when after blending, you mix it with a lot of water. And I bought to this idea, and it was really, really nice. Like, it saves a little time. Yes, it saves a little time. So when you dissolve it very well, like in water, and make it so watery, you can now start, washing. But any other method that you feel is okay with you, fine. If you feel it's the tying one, tying the bowl, then you pour water, then you wash, fine. If you feel this method is okay for you too, you can just try. We all are different in our own ways, and A might like this, B might like this. So if you like this method, I just saw it and I said, oh, I should try this anytime I'm making pap. And I've also decided to share it with you as well. So you can do it this way, after mixing it with a lot of water, making it to not be in a paste form, let it be in a very liquidified form. It comes out very, very well. So after doing it, you can now start sieving it, put water in another bowl, sieve and then rinse, sieve and then rinse, until you get to the end of it all. I remember growing up that year, when I was still small, I believe making pap was very, very stressful. Like, it's still stressful in a way, but some things have really, really changed because I love taking pap. I'm a very big fan of pap, and now motherhood has finally brought me back. I had to make this, because if I say I am buying, I'll spend more. So by the time I make by myself, I can as well drink, and my baby or family members can also take as well with it. Like, it's awesome. You making things and you have it so abundant. Sometimes you even forget the stress you went through in order to make that particular thing. It's just like making moi moi as well. I don't find it so, because I love eating momo. So washing beans is always very, very, it's an easy task for me. Then my friends are like, oh, I love eating momo, but I don't like the making, the washing and all that. I say, bring it, let me wash it. So it's like that. So